Hi, I'm James Wesley and I'm the product manager for S-Click lighting, control and energy efficiency products. In this video, I'll take you on an in-depth look at our HNS810, which is a single module, Bluetooth programmable digital time switch made by our sister company in Adelaide, Hendon Semiconductors. Hendon Semiconductors is a very important electronics manufacturer based in the beautiful city of Adelaide. They're important to Australia as they're a vital manufacturer of electronic componentry supplying Australian defence industries. Hendon also engineered the complete range of S-Click timers, dimmers and USB mechs. The HNS810 comes in this cool little 6-pack carton. When we open it, it transforms into this little merchandising pack. Before I get into the functionality of the HNS810, I just want to point out the cable termination method. As you can see, it's not the duo fixed spring terminal, which suits a solid conductor used in Europe. We have purposely engineered a large screw terminal that suits stranded or solid conductor. To demonstrate here, I'm using a bootlace cable and a stranded bare twisted cable. You can feel at the last nip, it really gives you the complete confidence that the connection is made. The HNS810 is a single module, DIN mount, digital 7-day time switch. It's programmable by Bluetooth, which also allows us to upgrade the firmware over the air. It has a power reserve of over 10 years. Comes with a pulse mode feature, allowing a minimum switch time of 1 second. Also comes with a service counter that displays 4 parameters and has an automatic daylight savings function. The team at Hendon have put together a fully functional time switch that is super easy to program. We have produced a product that has a fresh take on how we can switch a load using time. Let me show you the app. The first step is to download the app from the App Store. Search for S-Click. Then with the app open, it displays looking for nearby devices. Unlike other Bluetooth devices, the HNS810 can only be accessed by pressing the button on the switch for 10 seconds. This gives the switch a level of security because you have to access the enclosure to connect. After 10 seconds, the LED on the switch flickers. This means the device is findable. See the switch appear in the app? That's it there with its own unique identification number. You can use this for recording purposes. Now, to connect to the device, press connect. After the connection is made, the main screen appears. Now press on the lightning bolt symbol and slide the blue bar up, and the load comes on. This screen provides a neat little test function. If we leave the bar there, it counts down and switches off the load. But you can just slide it down and the load is off. Just X out of this screen and back to the main menu. See the settings cog up in the top right hand corner? Press on this. Okay, so the first heading is device name. You can give this program a name with 2 fields available. The second one here titled location. The date and time fields are populated with information from the phone, just here. This is the genius of the Hendon team. Traditional manufacturers of time switches incorporate the time code in the switch. Scroll down a little and you can see the parameters of the service interval, or commonly termed an hour counter. So we can see device uptime, load on time, load on since last reset, and last reset time and date. And we can see the reset button and just below the daylight saving setting. Just press that to toggle on or off. Just below is the firmware version. If a new version is available, when you connect to the switch the first time, a window pops up asking you if you want to upgrade the time switch. Press on the output mode. This is a really interesting feature that the Hendon team have engineered into this switch. It actually allows you to reset the contacts from normally open to normally closed. A masterstroke by our team at Hendon. Now, press on back to get to the main screen. See in the top left of the screen, the menu symbol? Press on this and a side menu appears. This allows you to get to the S-Click web page where you can find data sheets, instruction manuals, etc. You can also disconnect from here if you are programming several switches in the same location. Another option is you can send feedback directly to the app team at Hendon. Actually, if you have any ideas or features that you think would improve this product, this information goes directly to the engineering team, who are watching closely as the feedback rolls in. Next, you can slide that screen away and get back to the main menu, where we can demonstrate how easy it is to program the HNS810. Let's apply a program that exists already, saved in presets. At the bottom of the screen, you can see the title presets with save and load next to that. Press on load, you see two saved programs. Press on more, and you can see the details of the program. Press on load, and we are prompted, are you sure? Hit yes, and the program is set into the switch. That's job done if you have the correct program in your presets. If you don't, there are two ways to have the switching program you want. You can easily create it by pressing Add New Timer, or you can import a program via email or text. Okay, here is how to create a new program and save it to your presets. On the main menu screen, press on Add New. You can change from standard on-off to pulse mode. Press on Start Timer, roll around to 6 AM, press Set Time. Do the same for Stop and roll around to 7 PM. Press Save. Fill in the days of the week you want the program to run, in this case Monday to Friday, then save again. You can then name the new program and then it gets saved to your presets. You've just programmed this switch to switch the load, let's say in this case it's air conditioning, on from 6 AM and off at 7 PM, Monday to Friday, leaving it off on Saturday and Sunday. Okay, so X out back to the main screen and press the menu symbol and press Disconnect. Press View Presets, press into one, press Export, and your phone comes up with a range of methods to send the file. Select the method and send to another phone. Open your mail and save the file to Save Files. Connect to your switch by pressing the button on the face of the switch for 10 seconds. When your S-Click app finds the switch, press Connect. Then press Load and now Import File. Select the file by pressing on it. The program you just received via text or email appears, so press Load. The app asks if you are sure. Press Yes and it loads the program. If you then press Save, you can rename and save this program in your presets, where it will stay in your personal app. That's the S-Click HNS810, a time switch that has all the common features and is now super simple to program. A product that I'm very proud again to say, made here in Australia. Thanks very much for watching.